Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Yesterday, US markets, it was mixed one. Dow was higher, S&P 500 and Nasdaq was down, and mostly the technological stocks fell. I think the euphoria over the SpaceX IPO is fading away. I think in the last three trading sessions, SpaceX has fallen, wiping out about 600 billion in market cap. So, because of some technology stock sell-off, so naturally, stock markets like South Korea, Taiwan tend to trade lower. So, Asian markets, they are down but not out. And the gift nifty morning it was euphoric because there was no huge selling by FIAs yesterday. Of course, there were sellers, but not by huge amount. And last Friday they have bought for about 5,000 crore. People talking big about it, but remember that is because of the FTSE rebalancing. So therefore, we have to write it off. So it's a compulsory investment. So leaving that, FIIs are still, in dilemma, I can say. But one good thing is that, so they are not selling aggressively. So aggressive selling has stopped. So in the morning, I saw the gift nifty was indicating, 24,200 plus, but now it has come down a little bit. And yesterday in the post market, I said, yesterday was the lowest true range. That means from intraday high to intraday low is only 76 points. So that was the lowest range in the past many years. So that shows that the market is indecisive. Right? So like sometimes they call it as a Doji candle. Doji candle also shows indecisiveness. So this is a very, very small range. So whenever the range is very, very small, the market is preparing for the next leg. So next leg either of breakout or breakdown. So we have to wait. So the way the gift nifty was indicating today morning, I thought nifty is likely to open above yesterday's high, but that is not happening. So now gift nifty future indicate nifty opening below the yesterday's high. So usually, if the trend is up, the next day it should open above yesterday's high. So that's considered to be very, very bullish. But yesterday, although the range was only 76 points, it was a very, very minimal. But after 3 p.m., there was a selling of more than 50 points. So probably that's why, right now the gift nifty is not very, very bullish. Probably in the morning, maybe because of some short covering in illiquid contracts or, global cues or something like that. And the crude oil has gone up slightly, but still it is well below $80. So as long as it is well below $80, so that is really very big positive for India. Right? And then now the peace talks going on in Switzerland, as usual, we will always get all kinds of conflicting report. As I said, so Iran has to show that they have won the war, and then US has to show that they have won the war. And that is how this, progress has to go on, right? So gold is also steady only, so not falling or not rising. So it's almost flat. And crude oil also, I can say it's a flat only. So that means, overall, entire market, commodity market, equity market, so all asset classes, so they are going sideways, consolidation mode, and maybe waiting for some other kind of triggers. So for the next leg of the market. So as far as this week is concerned, so I said it's going to be 23,500 to 24,300. So that has actually played out very well. And then, yesterday, the people are so confident. Nifty closed around 24,100. Now, 24,100 call and put together is only about 100 points. Right? So 100 or 110 points. But that is like, it's a too small. But still, because the volatility index is well below 13 and people are not expecting any big move. So that's why the people, they are daring to sell options at such a low premium. So the premiums are actually collapsing. And so, even one day before, at the money straddle used to trade around 300 rupees, a few days before. But now the premium is not even half of that. So that means that the people are expecting absolutely sideways move. But however, that is when some operators may strike here. When the option premiums are very, very low, so they may be buying the options and then they will choose to move the market in their direction. So you have to be very, very careful. So too small premium is better not to trade, or trade, go to the next week, next series, next week, or next month series. So that is the right way. So after today, there will be only 4 more trading sessions. Nifty is likely to trade between 23,600 and 24,400 for the next 4 days trading sessions. So anyway, let this expiry pass by and we will analyze the open interest data and other parameters. And then today evening, I'll come out with the Dalal Street Week Ahead program for the next 1 week. So we will discuss more about it. And number one, the Bank Nifty is looking very, very strong. So yesterday I told you more than half of the rally came only from 2 stocks. One is Reliance Industries, the other one is HDFC Bank. So the Bank Nifty is trying to break out above 58,000. So the future has already crossed 58,000, but the spot has not crossed. There is about 200 points premium for the Bank Nifty future over the spot, and that too hardly 5 trading sessions away. So we have to keep watching the movement of HDFC Bank and hence the Bank Nifty. That's number one. Number two, Reliance Industries. So I told you Reliance Jio IPO has come. So that's a good value creation. But despite that, maybe because of some positioning ahead of the AGM, the Reliance Industries fell on Friday, but it recovered more than that. So yesterday, the top contributor was Reliance Industries. So today we need to see if there is any follow-on buying. And remember, Reliance Industries is about 18 to 20% lower from its all-time high. So keep watching for HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, and then IT stocks. IT stocks, although it moved higher, but it was too volatile. And then plus, more important, Dr. Reddy, ADR was higher by about 5%. So Pharma Index was the best index yesterday. So we need to keep watching this Pharma space also. So let us see. So what's going to happen today? Looks like today it's going to be between 24,000 and 24,250 maximum on the higher side. So let us see what's going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.